Namaste everyone, I am Varsha Singh, a kindergarten teacher. Today I am going to talk about KPL sensory organ set. Hi Veronica.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
Okay, you are playing with KPL sensory organ set. Can you please tell me how many sense organ do we have?
5 sense organs.
Okay, can you please name them?
Eyes.
Okay,
Nose.
very good.
Ears.
Very good.
Tongue. Skin.
Wow. Okay, can you please tell me which sense organ help us to see?
Eyes.
Okay. Which sense organ help us to smell?
Nose.
Which sense organ help us to taste? Which sense organ help us to hear? Very good. Veronica, which sense organ help us to feel?
Skin.
Thank you, Veronica. Hi, Bhavya.
Hi, ma'am.
What are you doing?
I am playing with KPL body part jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, wow. Can you please tell me about body parts?
Sure, ma'am. Face, neck, chest, stomach, legs, toes, arms, fingers.
Well done, Bhavya. Keep practicing. Hope you like this video. Play and learn with KPL.